Hello, 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 and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps channel, here where we do DIYs, home decor, refurbished furniture, shopping hauls, trips, you name it, it's going down. Now look, so before I get my day truly started, I have to make my bed. Is there anyone else out there that's like that, where you just can't function until your bed is made? Well, that is me. So we are going to make this bed, and then we're going to get into some things. Get into how I made my two side tables. Now, the ones you see right now in this clip are not finished, but what I'm going to do is show you how they started. I'm going to show you what I did to them, and I'm going to show you how they turned out. And we're going to talk about a few things that I've been doing over these last 2 months because, friends, I've been absent. I know I've been absent. But again, thank you for joining us, and we are going to get into it really quick. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps channel and my oily face, because I haven't been up very long and I have oily skin like my daddy had. So anyhow, you guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, you guys. I've been traveling a little bit, getting kids ready for school and all that jazz. So what are we doing today? You guys know I like to jump right on into it. Today we're going to be talking about these end tables that I bought for my bedroom, as you can see behind me. I bought them off of Facebook Market. They were all gray, and I am redoing them. You guys know how I am. This is why it's called the Wrapped and Scraps channel. Take something old, repurpose, recycle, reuse, make it new, whether it's a mindset, a mindset, change furniture, ideas, knowledge, wisdom, all that jazz, okay? And so I bought two of them, and I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see how they looked before I started messing with them. But you guys know I'm still putting together my master bedroom. It's a work in progress. You guys, when you're working on something, this is a really great lesson of do not compromise, okay? Now, I started doing this room project months ago, probably almost a year ago, and I could not find the side tables that I really wanted. I knew what I wanted in my mind. I had the idea. I could see it in my head, but I could not find them to the height that I needed them to be. Now, I'm still working on this one. I'm not done painting it. But if I stand up, you guys can see, I'm 5'6". You see where this comes up? This comes up almost level to my belly button almost. I like my nightstand dressers really high and with a lot of storage, okay? And so these dressers are really high, as you can see. I'm still working on them. Not done doing the silver leafing on that one. I wanted to make sure that they were tall enough. I wanted to make sure they had enough storage. I wanted to make sure they were wide enough. And I also wanted to make sure that the right, in my opinion, taste for this room. And so I looked for months and I couldn't find any. I found a lot that were rounded like this and flat on the back, but they did not have the height. They didn't have the height and they didn't have the length that I needed. So I waited, and then lo and behold, I found them on Facebook Market. Now I paid $280 for them, which is an absolute steal. If you look these up, take a picture with your Google and look them up and put in those dimensions, you'll see that they run like $900 each. They're usually the little tables people use in their foyer when you first walk in their house, and it's like against a wall with the flowers and all that jazz. I got it for a great price. Again, I painted them black, as you can see, working on that. And now I'm going to do the silver leafing. I already did one on that side. Today, probably, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one. Now, I still have this whole other side of the room that I need to do, okay? The desk is going, we're putting a whole entertainment system, a whole wall entertainment system on that side of the room. But this side of the room, I got to get some pictures for those frames. It's been like that since I put them up. But the rest is coming along well. I have a dresser here that has to get up out of here as well. It's got to go. So we're still working on it. All right, so let's get painting. Okay, let's get painting. So you guys, I went in with 2 coats of the black. Of course, I'll leave all of the product names below. And actually, I probably did 3 coats. I went in with this metal leafing and this collage paste, and it was time consuming and rigorous and tedious and irritating at times, but it came out good. It came out good. Sometimes putting in that time is worth it. So I'm really happy with how they came out. Great little staple to the room. Now I have to finish decorating the rest of the room, so you know those videos will be coming soon too.
But anyhow, let's move on with our day.
All the stuff that we've done over the last couple of weeks, I'm gonna insert like little clips of all that stuff. And I'm gonna try and find some of the Disney, if I can find some off my Facebook, because that's the only place they are, because they're not on my phone, because they erased my phone because they suck. Hello. I am at the mall, you guys. I had to do some running around, some doctor's appointments, all that jazz. So we are checking out the stuff in Macy's. So come on, friends, let's go.
So of course I have to take a mall trip, you guys. I frequently go to the mall just to get out and see what's new and to see what I can bring to you guys, to show you guys if I find a sale or something like that. So today I'm in Macy's. I also went to JCPenney, just checking out all the stuff. Now I love going to Macy's backstage little closet. So if you haven't seen backstage, it's basically a spot in the Macy's store. Some have it, some don't, where they put all the clearance stuff and you can go there and shop. They always have name brand items, so check them out if you have one near you. I love checking out their purses because you guys don't know, I'm a purse girl, and I love a good purse. All right, we're on a whole nother day. This happened maybe several weeks ago, actually. We were invited to go on one of the little sailing boats with some of our friends and just enjoy the water. So that's what we did. So I asked my friend if it was okay if I showed the boat on my channel. He said he didn't care. He said he didn't mind. So we did that, and we had a really great time. And hopefully we can do it again, maybe in August, or not, August is almost over, September or sometime before the end of the year. I don't know though with this crazy weather, but it was an absolute great time. So we went out on the bay and under the Coronado Bridge. If you are familiar with San Diego, then you know exactly where that is. It was actually a really good day for sailing. It was warm, but it wasn't too hot because there was an overcast, which was actually perfect for us, you know, just being out. Great time, great conversation, great people. I mean, you can't ask for more than that. And great food, of course. I told you guys I had a lot of stuff over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, had to take my juicy fruits to good old Steal Your Money Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, Chucky. So my grandbaby, my oldest daughter, and all of the rest of my daughters, if you don't know, I have a lot of girls and one son. And we went to Chuck E. Cheese so that they can burn some steam, play some games, have some fun, and feel like they were balling, because you know now they get the little card and you can just swipe it because you play the games now by the time frame and not necessarily each game. So if you don't know that and you haven't been to good old Chuck in a long time, you can take your kids in there and you can pay for an hour time frame or 2 hour time frames or whatever, and you don't have to worry about them over swiping their card and overspending your money. So we did that. The girls had a good time. My girls love to dance, as you can see here. Chantalise and Zendaya and my little baby granddaughter there cutting a rug with Chucky, you know, on their little dance floor. So it was just a great time for them to get out of the sun because it was hot that day, and just enjoy life.
Go Daya. Yay!
You know, I wonder how much money Chucky has gotten of my money over the last 24 years, because my oldest daughter's 24 or almost 24, and I had her first birthday party there, and we frequent Chuck E. Cheese quite often. You know there's no summer if you're not going to the beach, and we are from Cali and we are beach bums. So yes, we went to the beach and we ate a lot of good food. You know, me and my girls, we go a lot of places together and hang out. We love to go out and try different restaurants and different things. They're pretty picky and they like what they like. We also ate a lot of sweets, a lot of ice cream stores and all of that jazz. So we did partake in some sweets. Rightfully so. Rightfully so. I think you're supposed to kind of indulge every now and again. So we went to a couple of spots, had some good food, and yeah, why not? So another day, same shenanigans. The kids need to have fun. So this is the new place that took my money. This is called Uptown Jungle. I met up with my good friend here, and we had a good time watching the kids scale the wall, or at least try to. They gave it a good attempt. I think they all did pretty well. But it's an indoor play place, and it has everything from the trampoline jumpies to the climbing walls and tubes and tunnels and air shot shooting, and you name it, it's going on. All the kids enjoyed it, spanning from 12 down to my grandbaby being 1. They all had a great time, and so this is something we definitely have to do again. And most importantly, we did a lot of praying. We've got a little prayer warrior here, so my daughter, my youngest, loves to pray about everything, which is actually good. So she always leads us in prayer for our meals and all kind of stuff. So it's a blessing to have her, because she can feel when you're getting ugly and upset, and will come in and pray for you, pray your strength in the Lord. So it's a blessing. Now let's talk about this whole Disneyland situation. You guys, the iPhone place. Yeah, they erased all my photos the day I was leaving Florida to come back home. My whole phone was erased, and so this is the only pictures I have from Disney, but it is what it is. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Please remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and use all parts of your life. Okay? Stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.